This halogen fixture is what may be called an industry standard. It has served well on machine tool applications for the past 3 decades, providing intense white light over a specific surface area. It has a 5.5-inch diameter head, providing an angle of illumination of 34 degrees. It's fitted with a 70-watt 24-volt bulb, which may be retrofitted with up to 100 watts. It has a 120 to 24-volt electronic transformer built into the arm, so only 24 volts reaches the arm and the head for operator safety. The head is waterproof and coolant resistant. It has a chip-resistant lens that does not require protective gridding, as on some competitive fixtures. It has an extruded aluminum anodized case with fins for heat dissipation. A cool T-handle provides a method for aiming the beam. It's fitted with an on-off switch and has 5-point adjustment: swivel at the base, pivot at the base, the arm and the head, and swivel at the head for a full 320-degree angle of adjustment. It has oil-resistant grounded cording and is available in 3 arm lengths and in 24-volt as well. Halogen Lighting Products still stocks this fixture, and our competitors market a comparable product. However, Halogen Lighting Products is not content to sell adequate products, but continually strives to supply the best.